government incentives, and other initiatives for the IT sector. With over 90% tele density, Pakistan has recently ranked as the second most financially attractive destination in the world for offshore outsourcing of IT and IT-enabled services. Pakistan was also ranked as the third most popular country for freelancing. Given that Pakistan actively solicits and advocates enhanced cooperation and collaboration within the local, regional, and global IT industry, presenting Pakistan as the tech destination to the world will help further augment the significant role of the IT sector in the digital economy. Distinguished participants, the Special Investment Facilitation Council and its various committees have already started to deliver and perform their role in an active manner. Among other priority sectors, the inclusion of IT sector under the umbrella of SIFC demonstrates the commitment of our government to further promoting the ICT industry. We believe that development of IT sector will bring huge benefits to the nation. It will help in creating more employment opportunities, increase revenue, lift service sector export, and boost fund reserves. I'm glad to be part of this wonderful gathering today and to share with you all the efforts undertaken and the initiatives launched to promote IT sector. Pakistan, with its talented and skilled human resource base, digital infrastructure, entrepreneurial spirit, and vision to digital transformation, is all set to become a knowledge-based economy. The government of Pakistan, through its digital policy, envisions bringing economic prosperity and citizen empowerment through digital transformation. The Pakistan Software Export Board has increased the number of software technology parks, STPs, from 8 across Pakistan to 30 now. I am pleased to share with you we are in the process of establishment of another 40 software technology parks in the smaller cities across Pakistan. We are working on the vision of Digital Pakistan through multiple cross-sectoral digital transformation initiatives. To this end, we are taking every step possible to facilitate IT sector by creating an enabling environment and an ecosystem through a broad range of legislative, policy, regulatory, and operational initiatives with a focus on inclusion to help reap the full benefit of digitalization. We are fully aware of the relevance and significance of artificial intelligence in today's world. Artificial intelligence has the potential to transform various fields and revolutionize several industries, including healthcare, transportation, finance, education. Ministry of Information Technology and Telecommunications has come up with a draft of the National Artificial Intelligence Policy, which is indeed a commendable step. The government is also focusing on necessary policies to attract IT experts from across the world for the development and promotion of IT sector in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to underline with a level of satisfaction that in the past few months, we have accomplished various milestones to boost IT sector and telecom industry. These milestones include, among others, 50% foreign exchange retention, upskilling and reskilling of 100,000 individuals, centralized tests for IT students, establishment of 10,000 Pakistan e-Rozgar centers, Pakistan Startup Fund, approval of Digital Economy Enhancement Project, approval of Telecom Infrastructure Sharing Framework, establishment of Telecom Appellate Tribunal, and National Space Policy. To the industry's representative and young talent present here, I reassure you that the IT industry remains a top priority for our government. The initiatives supported by SIFC and the visionary leadership of our IT Minister, are empowering our youth. These efforts are leading to Pakistan to emerge as one of the top online gig markets, with freelancers contributing from remote areas. The establishment of e-Rozgar co-working centers across Pakistan, supported by interest-free loans and assistance in training costs, aim to enhance partner capacities. This initiative aims to create an ecosystem where talented individuals can thrive. These spaces will not only serve as physical locations for work, but also as hubs for knowledge exchange, skill development, and networking. Pakistan takes pride in its thriving startup culture, underscored by the recent launch of the Pakistan Startup Fund. The active participation of women, entrepreneurs, and freelancers is particularly encouraging, with many women founders leading tech companies